Happy Thanksgiving 2023!
Happy Thanksgiving! This is how we make our sweet potato casserole. What are you thankful for? It's gonna be a whole feast. Hey guys, and welcome to our Thanksgiving 2023. This is the first dish I'm going to teach you how to make. I got in a few people who want me to share the recipe. It's not really like a legit recipe, but this is how I do my recipe. My mom and I kind of came up with this, more so her, but yeah. Thing is sweet potatoes. We used to boil them, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna wash them real quick, just rinse them off, and then I'm going to poke some holes with a fork. Then I'm gonna put them in the oven at 350 for like an hour, maybe a little more, just until they're soft. So instead of boiling them, it's better to bake them. And I'm gonna just prep them now. I'll take you over. So this is how we make our sweet potato casserole. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have made this video so you could have it for Thanksgiving, but I didn't think about that, so now you'll have it ready for your next Thanksgiving or whenever you want a sweet potato casserole. So I rinsed my sweet potatoes off, and then I poked some holes in it with a fork, and then I put them in the oven 350. It's 10:31 at night on Wednesday, so I'm gonna give them an hour, see how they are after an hour. If they're soft, then I'll take them out. If they're still a little hard, then I'll just keep them in. You just keep them in as long as, until they are soft. And I'm prepping them the day before because we learned that if you bake them the same day and then peel them, then it turns out watery, and that's not good. So if you let them sit overnight, all the juices, they stay in. So yeah, gonna wait for them. And I think that's all. I'm prepping, I'm prepping some other stuff tonight. So it's gonna be a whole feast tomorrow. Hello, it is the next day. Don't mind what I got going on, I'm curling my hair, but it is now Thanksgiving Day. It is Thursday, almost 4 p.m. Around 12 we had breakfast. Now we've just been resting and stuff, and now I'm gonna start making a few things. Last night I did the sweet potatoes by baking them, so I'll show you in a second how I finish those off. I'm going to season some chicken right now and let that sit. We're not having turkey because we're weird people. We don't really have turkey on Thanksgiving, but we are having like the very thick chicken breasts, and we're just gonna season those. So that'll be our turkey. Mom made ribs, so those are in the oven, and I'll just show you how we start cooking. So right now I'm gonna season the chicken. Okay, here's the chicken. I wanted to use real rosemary, but I guess everybody had the idea to get rosemary for their turkey. So we're gonna use rosemary garlic seasoning instead. And I'm gonna put this on the chicken, olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, and then salt and pepper. Okay, here's the chicken seasoned. I put some lemon slices and it's gonna bake with them. It's not exactly how I wanted it to look because I wanted the rosemary, but it's still gonna taste good. Okay, that's how the mixture looks. Just mix it up. If you want it sweeter, add more sugar. If you don't want it that sweet, add less sugar. If you want to add nutmeg, whatever you want, honestly. So after I give this a good mix, I'm going to transfer it into a baking dish, and I'm gonna add marshmallows and bake it. But I'm not doing that right now, so I'll show you how that looks afterwards. But that's the ingredients that goes in it, and that's the mixture, and that's how you prep it. So it smells good. It smells kind of like pie. Since I don't have measurements really, I kind of go by the color. So if it gets like dark and I know I have enough cinnamon and I know I have enough sugar, you don't have to use brown sugar. You can use whatever sugar. I prefer brown sugar or cane sugar, but yeah. And if it's too light, then I know to add more cinnamon. Okay, I took my hair out. I look a little better now. This is my little Thanksgiving outfit. We're gonna quickly take some pictures before the...
You said we're green. Because everybody's wearing green. Or no?
Okay, so we're gonna quickly take some family pictures, portraits, before the sun goes down. Because it's daylight savings and the sun goes down like quickly. So, yeah, it's gonna be like a little casual shoot, but yeah, but that's my Thanksgiving outfit. I'm gonna quickly make some Spanish rice before the shoot. I'm using a crock pot. I'm a fake Puerto Rican. Don't tell my grandma, don't tell my aunt, but I make my Spanish rice in a crock pot. So, I mean, crock pot, rice cooker. Making my Spanish rice in a rice cooker, so. And I'm using instant rice. I'm a fake. Okay, I'm gonna start off my rice by using this. This is sofrito. It's just like, I don't really know how to explain it. It's just kind of like herbs and vegetables, and it flavors the rice. I'm using adobo, bay leaves, sazon, some salt and pepper. I mean, not salt and pepper, garlic and onion, you know, stuff like that. That's how we make our rice over here. It tastes good. Oh, also some Goya tomato sauce. Let me know if you guys have any traditions in your family for Thanksgiving, because I wouldn't say we really have any, but then I guess we don't, like, we don't really. So, but let me know if you guys have any traditions in your family. I feel like Thanksgiving is different for us every year, but you know, let me know. I'm gonna make my Spanish rice, and then when everybody's finished getting ready, then we'll do the little photo shoot outside. I know. We just took single portraits. The sun is out, it's a little golden hour, so we got a few individual headshots. I'll put mine and anybody else who wants to show theirs, but we're gonna take a group picture right now while our food cooks. Yes. Hi Mom. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Thank you.
What are you thankful for?
Thankful for you. Thankful for life, health, strength, and good food that we are about to eat. Cooked by.
I'm thankful for our own house. Very thankful for that. Our own space and all of that. I'm thankful for everybody joining in my shenanigans, even though they don't like to. I'm thankful for
making cookies today.
Oh yeah, the girls took care of dessert. So
Yes.
I'm thankful for the Indians and the Pilgrims back then. I was one of the original Indians, if you didn't know. My great grandpa, grandma, and Dee Dee was one of the original Pilgrims. So thanks to me and Dee, you have Thanksgiving. We're waiting for Dad so that we can get his individual pictures and family pictures. Also, the weather is beautiful. And that was a horrible shot. Okay, Dad's coming. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. What are you grateful for?
Yes, I do. I don't know.
I told everybody that you were original pilgrim.
What?
You were one of the original pilgrims.
Yeah.
And I was one of the original Indians.
Oh!
So, no, just come into the... Guys.
Come to the left. What are you...
What are you doing? Turn around. We're taking a family photo.
To the right. Dad, come closer to Mom. Right there. Mom, come closer to it. Right there. It's about to start posing. You see a flash?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's gonna come out before every photo. Smile. I wasn't gonna see.
Dad joined us. What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for? It's a video.
What I'm thankful for.
I'm thankful for life. I'm grateful for the Lord bringing me and my family into the covenant with Him.
You guys want more?
And we just blessed. And this is what family is about: being happy and serving the Lord Jesus Christ at all times, and being pure in heart. We love y'all, and I pray you all had a wonderful, blessed Thanksgiving, because I sure am with family. Peace.
Wait, me, everybody, come in.
Say hello, y'all.
Happy Thanksgiving 2023.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay, that was hectic. Now let's go pick up our food from the store.
I know, right? From the store.
Our takeout. Okay, we got Mom here. She made ribs. Anything you want to say about the ribs?
Yes, I am, as you can see, trying to flip them before they fall apart, but they are falling apart because I let them be there a long time, which is how I like to make them. So now I just flip them. The bone is literally falling off the bone, like there's nothing on the bone. So now I'm gonna just put like the barbecue sauce on it and let it be there. That's it.
Ribs, macaroni and cheese, collard greens, and mashed potatoes.
Wait. Don't judge me. I did not have time to make the fresh one, so yes, that's what that looks like.
And this is my sweet potatoes, all ready to be baked. I'm gonna put the marshmallows, and then they're done. Okay, before adding the marshmallows, I put this in the oven for, I don't know, like 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna put marshmallows. This is my little pumpkin thing from the last vlog.
And
Do, do,
and
do,
a little shirt,
do.
something, you know what I mean? Maybe a beanie. And, yeah.
Okay, food's ready. Cornbread,
Alright.
rice. You can come.
This is when you guys watched it.
Macaroni,
Because it was on here.
yams, chicken, mashed potatoes, corn, and then
Let's get some mic.
Sweet.
you ready to eat.
Yeah.
Two little.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next Thanksgiving.